Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. So today I will show you how to do the nail art bubble effect. So for this one I will use a gel black color. I will use it as a base because I will use some chrome pigment on top. So I just apply one thin coat of the color. I make sure I apply it very well because I don't want to see the white tips underneath. And then I will cure it for 1 minute. So then I will apply a second coat of the color, just because I want to make sure the black color will stay properly on the tips. And then I will cure for another minute. Now we'll take a little cotton pad and with some cleaner for nails, I will clean very softly the top of the tips. As you can see, we'll remove a little bit of the black, is why we put 2 coats, but it's very important to do it to fix the pigment on top. So now it's done, it's dry. That is the pigment I will use. I love this chrome green effect, it's really nice. I will just check and make sure the color is well dry. We do not apply any top coat, we just clean the color and now we will apply the pigment on top. Very important, because if we apply a top coat it will be too glossy and the pigment will not stay properly. So with a little sponge brush I just take literally a little bit of powder and I will come very softly to apply it on top of the tips. I just make sure I apply it very well on every side. When it's done, you just need to remove a bit the excess of the powder. And then you will come and take your top coat, no wipes top coat, very important. I just noticed the normal top coat, the one you have to clean after, doesn't work properly with the chrome pigment. So you use your no wipes top coat. You apply 1 coat and then you will cure it for 1 minute. This first top coat we applied will just literally fix the color. I just make sure it's well dry and then I will apply another coat of the same top coat. But before, in a little container I will put some water and washing up liquid. You just close the little box and you will check it up very well until you can see a lot of bubble inside. So now we will take the same top coat and we will apply 1 coat very well everywhere on every side, but make sure you do not cure yet this coat, very important. So now we will take our little container. With a cuticle pusher, I will just come and take a lot of bubble and I will apply it on top of my tips and I will try to cover it completely. So I will just make sure, take more bubble and make sure every side, every side, everywhere I apply all the bubble. When it's done, you cure it straight away because you know the bubble, if not, will start to come off. So you cure it for 1 minute. You just cure it like that with the top coat not dry and the bubble on top. You cure it for 1 minute. So now it's done. You still have some bubble, but it's okay, it's normal. You can just, I will just take my finger and I will just remove the excess of the bubble on top of my tips and you can see already this design effect underneath the bubble, and it have been cured with the gel. So now it's all done, and because it was a no wipes top coat, it's all dry already, so no need to apply something else on top. I love this effect, and with the chrome underneath it make like a very nice and different design. I really love it. So now I will show you a second one, just something a bit more different without any chrome, but for this one I will use the neon powder. So for this one I need to apply, as you know, for every neon powder you need to apply a white base first. It will make the neon pigment coming very bright. So I just make sure I apply everywhere. Doesn't really matter if it's totally white. It's white for this one. I will only apply one coat. And now I will use these two colors. I will make kind of a gradient effect, just to look a bit more fun. So the best for that, you cure your color for 1 minute, but you don't wipe it off, and you will come to apply straight away the pigment on top. So I just start with orange. With my finger, I will just apply a bit of color. Really don't need to apply too much powder because it tints the tips very well. And then I will come to mix with some yellow one. I love the yellow. It's probably my favorite neon color. It's just so bright. I love it. So you see, you don't need a lot of powder, just a little bit. And I will just make sure both color will fade properly. And then you can just remove a bit the excess of the powder before to apply the top coat. So I still use the same top coat, and I will apply one coat everywhere. I just make sure I apply the top coat properly to fix the pigment, and then I will cure it for 1 minute. Okay, so now it's done, it's well dry. We will just repeat the same step as the previous design. So with the same no wipes top coat, we will just apply it everywhere. Make sure it's well applied on every side. And very important, do not cure it right now. And now we will take our cuticle pusher, and we will come to take some bubble. We will apply it very softly everywhere on top of the tips, and we just make sure we cover it properly. And as soon as it's done, as soon you see all your tips covered from the bubble, you cure it for 1 minute. Et voila, it's all done. So you just remove the excess of the bubble, you just dry it softly. I will show you how it is with the light on it. Yeah, you can see it's super bright. I really love this effect. So you can do it with many colors, and yeah, I really like that one. I think I will try it properly for this summer. Et voila, it's all done for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed, and if you want to watch more video. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.